Genau. Ein Handicap-Match steht uns bevor. Grüß dich zurück zu SmackDown vs. Raw. Mit dem Undertaker.
What's that in Finley's hands? It looks like an urn.
Well, it's no shillelagh, Michael Cole. It must be the present from the man. It's beautiful.
Für was schalte ich die Musik aus, wenn sie dann doch wieder kommt? Ich hoffe, ich kriege keine Probleme. Na gut. Und wer war der Man? Ich meine, ich könnte mich da dunkel an was erinnern. So ganz finster in meinen Erinnerungen, weißt? Schade, dass ich keinen Tag-Team-Partner habe. Na gut, Undertaker war nie berühmt für Tag-Team-Matches.
Finley and Santino were trying to outwit the Undertaker, the master of mind games, by using that urn. It's nothing flashy, but it's most certainly effective. And the knuckles connect.
So.
There's a fundamental move. Just driving the point of the elbow into the opponent. Oh, that's just sick.
Ah.
A vicious blow to the opponent.
So. Und zacki bracki.
Sidewalk slam. There's the clothesline. And that's a stiff kick.
Here it comes. Look out.
Devil's Cross oder Devil's Cross? Ich glaube, so hieß der Move.
You know, the Undertaker will never cower. It doesn't matter if it's 1, 2, or 20 men. The Phenom backs down from no mortal. Ah, how the heck do you get up from that? Oh, the punch connects.
Zack.
Do it. DDT.
Wow. Great reversal. He could get the pin right here.
Nein!
No, only a 2 count.
Du Schwein.
The big boot. What a sickening impact. What a kick that was. And a jaw-jacking punch. Straight kick right to the head. Nothing fancy about that.
So, jetzt kümmern wir uns nochmal um Finlay, ha? Was hast du gesagt?
Oh, what a clothesline. And that punch lands hard. And there's a stiff clothesline. He's looking to put his opponent away right here.
Ich weiß echt nicht mehr, wie dieser Move heißt. Hell's Gate, so heißt's, genau. So hat er geheißen, geheißen.
Can his opponent kick out? These superstars have inflicted so much damage on each other.
Ja,
I'm getting
sicher.
exhausted just watching them.
Krieg 3 Schläge ab und bin halb tot, oder
There
was?
it is, the big boot.
Look at all that blood. These fans are getting their money's worth tonight.
The big boot, what a sickening impact. And the knuckles connect. He's going for the pin.
Drecksau.
A vicious blow to the opponent.
Ja, dann prügelt man halt so lang, bis er
He
hieß.
slipped out of that one.
Oh, the hand connects with the throat. The kick connects.
Nein!
That'll leave a mark. What a nasty elbow. Oh, what a vicious jab with the right. A vicious elbow drop delivered with a lot of force.
Nein!
And a jaw-jacking punch.
So.
Sidewalk slam, what power. A sharp elbow drop.
Oh man, what a crushing blow.
And that punch lands hard.
Wenn er es nicht anders haben will, dann werden wir weiter auf den Kopf gehen, gell? Nein. Nein.
A striking elbow staggering the opponent. And the knuckles connect. A stiff shot with the elbow. This is it. Here he goes.
Here we goes. Ja, genau.
Tombstone pile driver. How many superstars have fallen victim to that over the years?
He can get the pin right here.
Das war so klar.
What a decapitating lariat. Straight kick right to the head. Nothing fancy about that. And a heap of impact delivered with that elbow drop. A vicious stomp. Oh, the punch connects. What a crushing leg drop.
Here's the pin.
Na komm.
One.
Oh, and the knee
Santiago Mortadella.
connects. He's showing absolutely no respect for his opponent.
Talk about educated.
Irgendwann muss er doch K.O. gehen, oder?
The Tombstone pile driver. There's the cover. One.
Devastating. Just a devastating neck breaker. What height on that leg drop? Oh, the lariat knocks their opponents down.
Schauen wir mal. Das Hell's Gate. Ja, der gibt nicht so schnell auf, der Bub.
What fantastic extension on that leg drop.
Oh man, here it comes.
Chokeslam.
Slam.
Ich muss den Wahnsinnigen loswerden. Hm.
What incredible impact.
Wenn der Schiedsrichter nicht so doof im Weg stehen würde, weißt,
There's the clothesline. Oh my, look
dann
at
hätte
this.
ich ihn bereits. Ich muss mich jetzt ein bisschen aufs Hell's Gate verlassen.
A vicious blow to the opponent. And there it is. The big boot connects. And there's the elbow. That'll leave a mark.
Und er geht noch immer nicht K.O.
Vicious stomp. A basic but efficient maneuver.
Here it comes. DDT.
Oh Oh my, the force behind that headbutt was incredible.
Ach Gott, nein, nicht wechseln.
Looks like he's
Scheiße.
bringing in his partner.
Egal.
Dear Lord, those lariats can do so much damage.
Here's the pin.
He's got to do more damage
Ja,
before he can get a
sicher.
3 count.
Ein bisschen übertreiben, ha? Spiel.
A swift kick to the opponent. And a jaw-jacking punch. And there's a stiff clothesline. What a fierce kick. And that punch lands hard. A vicious stomp. The big boot, what a sickening impact. Oh, what an elbow drop. What a decapitating lariat.
So, Leg Drop.
there's leg drop.
Hinterher.
A vicious stomp. What a kick that was.
Here we go.
Chokeslam.
That could have done some serious damage. A vicious stomp. The kick connects. And the knuckles connect. What a nasty elbow. A vicious blow to the opponent. Oh, the hand connects with the throat. Straight kick right to the head. Nothing fancy about that. Just driving the point of the elbow into the opponent. Oh, what a clothesline.
Ja, jetzt liegt mir der Trottel im Weg. Ich wollte den
the punch
beseitigen.
There's the clothesline. One. He hasn't done nearly enough to get the pin yet.
Natürlich.
Talk about educated feet. Oh man, what a crushing blow.
That'll leave a mark. A swift kick to the opponent.
Ah. Einen Seiltanz bitte.
A vicious elbow drop delivered with a lot of force.
Toll.
Oh, the lariat knocks their opponents down.
Wenn das
A
so
sharp
weitergeht,
elbow
mache ich
drop.
hier aus dieser Episode, aus diesem Kampf eine Episode.
And that punch lands hard.
Aber ich weiß nicht, wie ich die zwei auseinandernehmen soll.
And there it is.
Außer
the
einzeln.
big boot connects. Dear Lord, those lariats can do so much damage. What a devastating maneuver. That's a stiff kick. Tombstone pile driver. How many superstars have fallen
Nee.
victim to that over the years? There's the cover. Can he do it?
Oh, das war Knapowitsch. Aber der Kleine wird lästig hier am Rand.
And there's a stiff clothesline. He may get the 3 count right here.
He almost got the 3 right there.
Ja, ab und zu mal streiten. Jetzt schaut er wieder rein wie ein Hundling. Ja. Nein.
He was 1 step ahead on that one. What a decapitating lariat. And a heap of impact delivered with that elbow drop. Oh, what a clothesline. A striking elbow staggering the opponent. The big boot, what a sickening impact. What a kick that was.
Ach ja, irgendwann werden ja die beiden wohl aufgeben, oder?
The Tombstone pile driver.
Ich muss den
He's going for the
Mortadella
pin.
loswerden.
That could be it.
Irgendwie.
There's the clothesline. The kick connects.
Nein.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? Straight kick right to the head. Nothing.
That's the way to do it. Nothing like the sight of your own blood to take the fight out of you.
Dear Lord, those lariats can do so much damage. He could pin his opponent right here. 2, 3.
Ja!
The referee's calling for the bell. The match is over.
Boah, ich hätte euch so gern den Einzug gezeigt, aber da war wieder Musik und... Oh, scheiße.
Even a weakened Undertaker is still very dangerous.
It is the urn that's hurting the Undertaker. What's going on? I hate to ask, but why didn't they finish the job?
New School has the dead man's number. They can finish him off anytime they want.
Naja, dann. Da werden wir uns was einfallen lassen müssen. Oder das Spiel gibt uns irgendetwas vor, was wir machen sollen. Dagegen. Kurzer Blick. Warte ein bisschen. Kam in der WWE nach dem Royal Rumble nicht die WrestleMania? Na sicher. Road to WrestleMania 24. Ach, ist das schön. Auf der einen Seite will ich euch was zeigen, aber auf der anderen Seite kann ich nicht. Ich habe die Soundeffekte zwar ein bisschen leiser gedreht. Naja, was soll's.
New School has had fun delivering your first gift, Undertaker. The man is a generous person. So here's another present from him. Your brother Kane, a man you beat 3 times at WrestleMania, is under our control now.
Hinweis. Kane ist unter New Schools Kontrolle. Wende zweimal den Tombstone an, um die Trance zu beenden. Na gut. Ah, ich glaube, ich weiß, worauf das Spiel hinaus will. So, machen wir jetzt eine kleinere Aufnahme. Und beim nächsten Mal dann werden wir das mit Kane durchziehen. Mal schauen, wie die Geschichte weitergeht. Bin schon wirklich gespannt. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Baba.